And in a similar way, you can get the other two formulas in the law of cosines. Actually, you just rotate A, B, and C, and then you can get the other two formulas. So the other two formulas in the law of the cosines are like this. B squared equal to x squared plus c squared minus 2ac times cosine beta. You can also write this first formula in such a way: b squared plus c squared minus 2bc and times cosine alpha. And then the third formula is c squared equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab and times cosine gamma. So together, their three formulas are called the law of the cosines. And as a simple application of the law of cosines, let's see what happens if we have a right triangle. Let's draw a sketch. So right now, if I have the one right triangle, and then this is the gamma, which is equal to 90 degrees. So this is point C, and point A, and point B. So this length C, length A, and length B. Now, let's apply the third formula in this case. Okay, so in this case, we have from this third formula, we have the c squared equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab times cosine 90 degrees. What is a cosine 90 degrees? 0, right? So this guy is equal to 0, so this part just becomes 0. And then you got c squared equal to a squared plus b squared. And this is just the Pythagorean theorem, right? So you can see Pythagorean theorem is a special case of the law of the cosines. Okay? So this is the law of cosines. Any question? Now let's go to the page 596 and let's look at the problem 4. We'll try to solve this triangle. So in this problem, we know the length A, length B, and length C. Then we need to find the three triangles. Okay, so let's go to the whiteboard. Page 596. Problem 4. We know A is equal to 6.5 and B is equal to 7.9 and C is equal to 13.6. So this is the SSS case, right? We know the three sides, and then we need to find the three triangles, three angles. And when you have the three sides of a triangle, you order the three sides. You know, C here is bigger than B, right? And B is bigger than A. And in a triangle, the largest angle is opposite the largest side. So actually, we have the same order for the corresponding angles in this triangle. So gamma is opposite the side C, so gamma is largest. Beta is opposite side B, so beta is in between. And then alpha is opposite side A, and A is the smallest, so is the angle alpha. Okay. So now let's try to draw a sketch of this case. And this is my angle gamma, and this is the point C, point A, point B, and this is the side A, side C, and the side B. So after you determine which angle is the largest, then you begin with this largest angle. So first, find the largest angle. So right now gamma is largest, so we begin with the gamma. And from the law of cosines, we know we have the c squared equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab times cosine gamma. So this formula involves the angle gamma. So now from this equation, we can solve this equation for the cosine gamma. Then we have the 2ab times cosine gamma. We just move this to the left side. And then we move the c squared to the right side. We have the a squared plus b squared minus c squared. Then we divide both sides by 2ab. We have the cosine gamma is equal to a squared plus b squared minus c squared over 2ab. Okay. So remember this formula. Now let's plug in the knowns into this expression. So A is equal to 6.5, and B is equal to 7.9, and C is equal to 13.6. Then divided by 2 times 6.5 times 7.9. Then you simplify. Approximately this is equal to negative 0.7819. And we know as an angle of a triangle, this gamma must be greater than 0 and less than the 180 degrees, right? And we also know the range of the arc cosine. Arc cosine x is greater than or equal to 0, but less than or equal to 180 degrees, right? And in this range, the value x has a one-to-one correspondence with the angle. So now we have this simple triangle equation cosine gamma equal to negative 0.7819. When you solve this equation, you may just directly use the arc cosine to get the angle alpha. You don't need to worry about the possible ambiguous case. So sometimes you may have the more than one solution, right? But right now, in this range, you have only one solution. So by using the arc cosine, then you find this angle. And this is approximately equal to 141.4 degrees. And after you find this largest angle alpha or gamma, then we need to find the other two angles. So one is the alpha here, right? Another one is beta here.